Are home batteries safe to install indoors? It's a fair worry. You're putting a big battery inside your house. But modern home storage is built for exactly this, and the technology has moved on a lot. Here's what makes it safe. First, these units are designed for it. Most home batteries are made to be fitted inside, wall-mounted or floor-standing in a garage, a utility room, or a plant cupboard. Being indoors actually helps, because they work best kept out of extreme cold. Second, the chemistry. Most modern home batteries use lithium-iron-phosphate cells, which are chosen specifically because they're stable and have a low fire risk. It's a real step on from the older battery types people tend to worry about. And here's the part that really matters. Safety comes down to the installation. Use a certified installer who fits it in a suitable ventilated spot, away from heat sources and clear of escape routes, and wires it to the proper standards. Get that right, and an indoor battery is a safe, everyday bit of kit. So yes, fitted properly by a certified installer in the right spot, an indoor home battery is safe. We explain how to choose and site one at Axiom Eco Homes. Subscribe for more.